Okay. Well, I guess being in my predicament and feels sort of like I was just getting licked in. I sipped this liquor cause I feel like it's like everything I feel. I thought it would reminisce of. It was all wrong. Swerved in my Pontiac crash, hit the curb. Keep saying the curb right hit the gate, no the pole. Matter of fact, the railing fucking almost died. Was no motherfucking telling. Car swerved 360 spin back hurting. Feel like everything I'm doing now is just murking, I ain't worth it. Cause everything I'm saying now is real and I ain't playing around. Tell them that it's working, that it's working. They be saying that they wanna see me hurting, but that's just wrong. The God said, Lord said, forgive. Why they just wanna hand me to the pigs? Really, I don't dig. I really can't give. I can't give the situation that I'm in. I can't live. I can't live. I can't live in the situation that I'm in. I can't live. I can't live. I can't live in the situation that I'm in. I can't live. I can't live. I can't live in the situation that I'm in. I lost everything, my job, for the sort of feeling like I'm falling apart. Lost my family, my man, and I swerved in my car. Lost that, man. I'm about to lose my mind, cause I'm feeling like I fell off. Only thing I got is you, baby girl. And you the only thing I need right now in this world. You and the other girl, Simona, the one that ever could, or the ever word. This is forever, girl. You thought you would be my baby, what you saying? I'm reminiscing of the shit that I be spitting because everything I'm speaking is what I be seeing, and seeing is the truth. Listening is cool. I just sit back drinking liquor and go right in the booth. I just be saying what I say cause I feel that it's true. Cause I'm telling it to you. And I can't live like this. I can't live. I can't live feeling like I can't live. I can't live feeling like I can't live. The situation I'm in, I just can't live. I can't live feeling like I can't live. I feel like I'm in the situation I'm in. I can't live. I feel like I can't live when I'm in this position that I'm in. When you was gone, baby, I was gone crazy. Mind so wazy, feeling so swazy. Can't believe you played me till you got me angry, saying that you love me and you only want me. And I look at Rennie, I'm all messed up, mind fucked up, playing my games. My time and my time ain't on the clock, so therefore my time aimed somewhere else, cause in there ain't where this health. I can see that, I see it with the wealth. Whatever they say, tell them they can say for self. Is I be doing me like you could do yourself. And no homo, but you know what I'm trying to speak for. I'm trying to eat cause I gotta eat, y'all. What they saying to me make me feeling kinda weak, dog. Can't even speak hard. But all I know is I still got my lady. I still got my little mother. My little baby, it's renegade, nigga. Hey man, I'm going angry. I'm going harder. Then I'm going in. Wait, B. Mercedes, wait, B. Don't leave me, please, B. Believe me, it's not really easy. I'm trying to do it up for both of us, at least the two of us, so we can do it up. But see your mom, she going crazy. She got my mind fucked. She lied to the kid and the kid fucked up. I understand though, but I just don't under. But I just say what I say, but I just don't wonder. And now you wonder. While I can't speak, wish I could talk to her. Wish that I can speak. Wanna be round you, my boo, with daddy. This is to you, Lenny. I'm just feeling depressed. I'm out.